1 week of building complete, we decided to head over to IKEA, looking for some easy solutions to building the interior of our bus. It was fun at first, and then completely overwhelming. Everything was sort of strangely expensive, and there were a few things that might work. We came away with a couple of good ideas and went back to the bus to do some more measuring and determining what to do next. 1 week in, and the bus build feels like it's going slowly. We're hoping to get a little momentum this week.